Should I get out?
No.
Should I go to get dressed again?
No.
Should I turn chicken?
I'm gonna jump in right now.
Are you? Should I get in first, or are you going to come with me?
I'm gonna come down.
Are you going to come down the ladder? Okay, we're in. We are in. Way to go, man.
Grandma, can you catch me now?
Of course. Oh, he's in. He's in. He's up. He's down. You want to swim?
No, I know.
Okay, you swim. Ooh. There he goes, straight to the ladder. Way to go, Mace. Okay, I guess I need to swim too if you can do that. If you can do that, I can swim too.
Cranberry is too chilly for me.
You can put the towel around you. It's not warm, there's no doubt about that.
When is it gonna get warm?
It is when the sun shines a whole bunch like now. See, that warms it up every minute. Every minute of sunshine warms the water.
Cranberry, why were you doing that?
Oh, just to get ready to swim. Are you coming? Woo! He's in again! He's going. You want to swim or you want to just climb?
I just want to climb. Look, onto the...
You climb. You don't have to swim. You can just climb. You're strong. Oh, there you go. That's what I do. That's how I get in and out. Whoop! Here he comes. Are you doing a backflip?
No.
Good. I'm glad. I didn't want you to.
Why was Dad last time he wanted to do a backflip? He was kind of